On this video today, I'm going to show you a trending offer that you can promote to make money fast with CPA marketing. The offer that I'm about to show you has a higher payout, and the best part is that I'm going to be showing you a cheap traffic source that you can use to promote the offer to make money. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create a CPA group account. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you're here, you're going to click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, select my offers. Once you select my offers, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, these are offers that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them, but CPA offers, they are country specific. So all these offers that you are seeing on your screen, I have to promote them to people who live in the United Kingdom. You can see a whole lot of different offers, but these offers, the payout is very low, so we are not going to be promoting them since we are using a paid traffic source. If you promote offers like this, you are not going to be earning profit. So you have to select a country that have offers with higher payout. In this case, I'm going to show you a trending offer that you can promote to people who live in Canada so that you can be earning money. So just come right here. Once you come here, click on the country here. Once you click on it, you are going to search for Canada. So type Canada here. Once you type it, you can see Canada. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see different offers that you can promote to people who live in Canada. You can see the first offer, you're going to be earning $1.71 per every lead that you get. The second offer, you're going to be earning $12.83 per every lead that you get. The next one, you're going to be earning $4.79 per every lead that you get. You can see the next one, $12.83. This offer and this one are the same offer, but the only thing is that the devices are different. You can see this is allowed on Android, here it is allowed on Apple iOS, and here it is allowed on desktop. So the offer is allowed on these operating systems. You can see them. So any of them that you want, you can promote. If you want the one that is allowed on Apple iOS, you can promote it. The one that is allowed on desktop, you can promote it. It is the same offer, so any of them that you want, you can promote it. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this one. So what you have to do is that you have to click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. So you have to promote this link to people who live in Canada so that they can click on it and then enter their details so that they can stand a chance to win a back to school gift card, and you are going to be paid $12.83. You can see it here. So now once you have your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in Canada to click on your link. If you want the free traffic source, you can use it, but in this video we are going to be using a paid traffic source. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is easmop.com. This is one of the cheapest traffic sources that you can use to promote your CPA offers. I showed you this website in one of my videos. It is very effective, and the best part is that the minimum deposit is very low. So if you have a small budget, you can use this website to advertise your link and then get people to sign up for you to make money. You can see they have different categories that you can use to promote your affiliate link. You can see. So now what you have to do is that you have to join the website so that you can use it to advertise your link. To join the website, you are going to click here, login. Once you click on login, you can see register as advertiser. Click on that. Once you click on it, you have to enter your username, email address, your first name, last name. You are going to select the social media network that you are using and then enter your details. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down, enter your password, repeat your password, accept the terms and conditions. Once that is done, click on register so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. Click here, manage campaigns. Once you click on it, you have to start creating your campaign. To start creating your campaign, you are going to click here, campaigns. Once you click on it, you are going to select the kind of campaign that you want to run. You can see they have push campaign, floating push, hop under, native campaign, display campaign. Any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, we are using push campaign, so click on it. Once you click on it, give a name to your campaign. So we are going to type something like back to school, back to school, back to school. Once you type the name of your campaign, the next step is that you have to select the verticals. You have to select the category of your ad. you can see they have a lot of different categories that you can select. You can see a whole lot of them. So when you scroll down, you can see many others. You can see a lot of different categories. In this case, we are going to select push subscription. Click on it. Once you select it, you can see it here. Once you select the vertical, you are going to leave this at default. Once that is done, scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see total budget, daily budget, default CPC. If you want to enter the amount that you want to spend on your ad, you can do that here. The daily budget is the amount of money that you want to spend per day on your ad, so you can enter any amount that you want. So let's say $10. Once you enter that, the total budget, you can say $100. These figures, it is not important because if the ad is not getting us results, you can pause it and then run a new campaign. So just enter any figure that you want. Once that is done, you can see default CPC. That is the default cost per click. You can see the amount right now is 0.0 cents. That is the amount that you are going to pay per every click that you get. This amount is too low. So what we are going to do is that we are going to increase the price so that we can beat our competitors. We want our ad to be displayed to a lot of people, so enter a higher CPC so that this website can make your ad rank higher than your competitors. So enter 0.09. I think this is okay. Once that is done, we are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see how would you like to spend your daily budget. Select evenly. Do not select the second one as soon as possible. We don't want that. We want evenly, so they are going to spread your budget from morning to evening. If you select as soon as possible, they can spend it in the matter of 1 hour or 30 minutes, but we want to spend our budget throughout the day, so leave it evenly. Once that is done, you are going to enter conversion per day, the amount of conversion that you want per day. We are going to leave it at default. Once that is done, you can see clicks per IP. How many times do you want a person to click on your ad? So you want a person to click on our ad 1 time, so leave it 1. Once that is done, you can see impressions per IP. How many times do you want a person to see your ad per day? So let's say 3 times. Once you enter that, you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you are going to select the location, the country that you are targeting. In this case, we are targeting Canada. To select Canada, first of all, you have to deselect all the locations so that you can select your targeted country. To deselect all the locations, click on this icon here. Once you click on it, you can see all the locations has been deselected. Once that is done, you are going to click on US and Canada. Select that option. Once you select it, click on the plus sign. Once you select the plus sign, deselect United States. Once that is done, you are going to leave it with only Canada. As you can see, that has been done. Once you select the location, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see time targeting. If you want to target specific time of the day or the week, you can do that. If you don't want your ad to run on Sunday, you can deselect that. You can see you can deselect that. If you don't want your ad to run on Saturday, you can do that. But in this case, you want the ad to run in all the days, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see operating systems. You are going to select the right operating system. So first of all, what you have to do is that you have to deselect all the operating system. Once you deselect it, you are going to now select the operating systems that you are targeting. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to select Android because the offer is allowed on Android. Once you select the operating system, you are going to click here. Once you click on it, click on yes, selected. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see device type. There is no limitation, so just leave it with all the devices and then click here. Once you click on it, click on yes, selected. You have selected all the devices. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see device brand. There is no restriction, so just leave it like this. Click here, yes, selected. We are selecting all the device brands. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see browsers. There is no restriction, so you click on selected and select yes. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see auto include new browser versions. Yes, just leave it like this. Connection type any, just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see careers. What you have to do is that you have to click in the country section. Once you click on it, you are going to search for Canada. So search for Canada. As you can see, Canada, select it. Once that is done, you are going to click here and then click on yes. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. You can see if you want to show domain list, you can do that. Show IP list, you can do that. Any of them that you want, you can just click on it so that it will show you all the details. But we don't need any of this, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to click on next. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you are going to add the title of your ad. So you have to go back on CPA Grip so that you can copy and paste the title of the product here. Once you come back on CPA Grip, you can see this is the title of the offer. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. That is the title of our ad. Once you paste the title, the next step is the description. You can come back on CPA Grip. This is the description of the offer. So it is an instruction of what the people have to do before they get access to the gift card. So just highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see destination link. You have to copy and paste your affiliate link here. So just come back again, click on copy link so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see images. You have to upload images of the offer. You can see the various sizes. These are the sizes that you can create and then upload your image here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, right click on the image. Once you right click on it, click on save images. Once you right click on it, click on save so that you can save the image. Once you download the image, the next step is that you are going to come on Canva so that you can design the right size of the image that the website needs. When you come back, you can see these are the sizes that they need. You can see these are the sizes. So you must design an image of any of these sizes so that you can upload it. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to be designing 300 by 250 pixels. So you have to go back on Canva and design an image of that size. So come back on Canva. Once you come back on Canva, click on upload. Once you click on upload, select choose files. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. Once you click on open, you're going to see a page like this. Click on use a new design. Once you click on it, select custom size. Once you click on the custom size, you are now going to enter your size here. So let's enter 300 by 250 pixels. So 250 pixels. Once that is done, you are going to click on create new design. Once you click on it, you can see your design has been created. The next step is that you are going to download it. To download it, you are going to click on share. Once you select download, you are going to leave it as PNG file. Once that is done, click on download. As you can see, the image is downloading. You can see it right here. It has been downloaded. Once you download the image, you are going to come back, click on upload main image. Once you click on it, select your design, click on open. You can see this is the image. Click on add. Once that is done, you can see the image here. Once you upload the main image, you are also going to upload the icon image. So click on it and then select your design and click on open. As you can see, this is it. Click on add. Once you click on it, you can see it has been uploaded. Now once you upload your image, you are going to click here submit so that your ad can be submitted. Once you click on submit, click on finish. As you can see, your ad has been submitted. You can see this is your ad. So it is now waiting for approval. Once it gets the approval, it is going to start running and you are going to be getting people who will click on it in Canada and then enter their details for you to make money. But before your ad run, what you have to do is that you have to deposit funds so that this website can spend it to get people to click on your link. To add funds, you are going to click here add funds. Once you click on add funds, you can see these are the methods that you can use to deposit money into your accounts. You can see PayPal, Capitalist, Pioneer. You can see a whole lot of different payment methods that you can use to deposit money into your accounts. So if you want to deposit money into your accounts using any of these payment methods, what you have to do is that you have to click on add funds. Once you click on it, select the payment method and you are going to see the minimum deposit here. Once you click on it, you can see the minimum deposit. So just select the method of payment that you want and then deposit money into your account so that your ad can start running and you are going to be getting people who live in Canada to click on your link so that you can be making money. Apart from making money with CPA marketing, there is another way that you can use to make money from home. You can create and sell digital products online to make money from home. You can create your own product, price it at any amount that you want, and then sell it. If you want to learn how to create a digital product, just click on this link at the description of this video so that you can get access to my ebook that will show you step by step on how to create and sell digital products. So just click on the link. Once you click on the link, you are going to see the book like this. I've decided to decrease the price for my viewers, so make sure you take action now before I increase it. Again, you can see this is the original price, but I have decreased it to $2.49. This price will not last. Within some time, I'm going to increase it to the original price. So make sure you take action now so that you can be part of those who have the privilege to download it at a cheaper cost. So just click on download now. Once you click on download now, you are going to enter your payment method so that you can get access to the book. That is how best I can help you to make money from home. So make sure you go and take action now so that you can be making money from home. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.